Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to talk to you about something crucial, selling your house. Whether you're a first-time seller or a seasoned pro, there are 3 things you absolutely must know before taking that big step. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to understand is the importance of pricing your home right. You know pricing can make or break a deal. It's like finding the perfect balance between attracting potential buyers and maximizing your profits. So how do you do it? That's where a real estate agent like me comes in. We have the expertise to analyze the market, assess comparable properties, and help you arrive at a competitive yet realistic price. Remember, setting an inflated price can turn buyers away, while pricing too low might make you lose out on some well-deserved cash. It's all about finding that sweet spot. Now let's talk about curb appeal. First impressions matter, and when it comes to selling your house, curb appeal can make a world of difference. Think about it. When you're driving through a neighborhood, don't you gravitate towards homes that catch your eye? Well, it's the same goes for potential buyers. You want them to fall in love with your property from the moment they lay eyes on it. So invest some time and effort in sprucing up the exterior. A fresh coat of paint, a well-maintained lawn, and some tasteful landscaping can work wonders. Remember, you want your house to stand out for all the right reasons and create a lasting impression. Lastly, but certainly not least, let's talk about disclosure. Honesty is key when selling a house. You must disclose any known issues or defects to potential buyers. Now, I know it might be tempting to hide certain things to make your house seem more appealing, but trust me, that's a slippery slope. Not only is it unethical, but it can also lead to legal troubles down the road. So be transparent about any past or current problems your property may have. It's better to address them up front than dealing with unhappy buyers later on. Remember, a solid foundation of trust and transparency will help you close the deal smoothly and with a clear conscience. Well, there you have it. 3 essential things you must absolutely know before selling your house. Price it right, enhance that curb appeal, and being honest about any known issues. These tips will not only help you attract potential buyers, but also ensure a successful and stress-free selling experience. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for tuning in today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more valuable tips and insights. Remember, the key to a successful home lies in knowledge and a great real estate agent by your side. Take care and happy selling.